It's Grok's night out. Yeah, it's time to shine. Alright, I got the mic, and I'm feeling that voodoo jazz with a hot jet twist. Let's croon. A little something for you and the tribe. We got jagged violet edges on stage, belting it out over a smoky globe. Here goes. Here goes.